Hello there. Couple of months after launching the Huawei Watch GT2 along with Mate 30 and Mate 30 Pro, Huawei today launched the Watch GT2 in India, and that too at a very recommendable price. What I really liked about the launch event is that there was a doctor present. Yes, a medical expert from Fortis was there telling us all about how the fitness features of Huawei Watch GT2 are beneficial to all of us. So after the event, I got to unbox the Huawei Watch GT2. The watch comes with a band separately in the box. It comes with a tool to replace the band, the charger and the watch itself. The Huawei Watch GT2 also has two dedicated buttons. The top one leads you to the UI where you can interact with different features of the watch. The bottom one can be customized to launch your favorite app, be it the music app or a running mode or something like that. The watch comes pre-installed with some watch faces. They are all very good and complement the style of the watch, but there's no support for a third-party watch face app yet. But Huawei has told me that they'll be launching a few more watch faces which will be totally customizable. Now the Watch GT2 is also not lacking in performance department. It's powered by the Huawei Kirin A1 chip, which is a chip developed specially by Huawei for wearables. Another thing I would like about the Huawei Watch GT2 is that the bands are using the 22mm clip, which means they are easily user replaceable if in case the band with which the watch shipped with breaks, and you can easily customize watch to your liking, which is a very good thing according to me. The Huawei Watch GT2 starts at 14,999 rupees and goes up to 21,999 rupees. And Huawei has also given some amazing launch offers, like if you pre-book the watch from 12th to 18th of December, there's also a lucky draw to win a Goa trip. So I'll be pre-ordering mine during that period. Here are my first impressions about the features that I think are really amazing. The first feature I'd like to talk about is the fitness focused feature of underwater heart rate monitoring. I think this feature is game changer because you can monitor your heart rate underwater. And the second feature that I'd like to talk about is the music storage. You can store up to 500 songs in the Huawei Watch GT2, and I think that's quite amazing. You don't have to carry around your phone to stream music directly to your earbuds. You can use the Huawei Watch GT2. The third aspect I'd like to talk about is the stylish design of the Huawei Watch GT2. Even the cheapest variant, costing around 14,999 Indian rupees, looks dope. The 3D glass curved on the edge gives it elegant style and really makes it stand out in the smartwatch space. Like all smartwatch brands, Huawei has also heavily focused on the fitness aspect of the smartwatch space. There are a lot of features like 15 run modes that you can track your running in different styles. There's an indoor run mode, there's an outdoor run mode, there's a triathlon mode, and the list goes on. Now the last and the biggest feature according to me is the 2-week smartwatch battery life that Huawei Smartwatch GT2 promises in the 46mm variant. That's a big deal for me. Somebody who's used smartwatches and fitness bands, charging them is still a hassle, and I think 2-week battery life is a strong selling point for Huawei Watch GT2. Now you guys heard about my first impressions of the Huawei Watch GT2. Now let's hear something from the Huawei fans who have come here from the Huawei community.
Hi Huawei fans all out there, I'm one among you.
I'm a Huawei fan and a community member.
I'm at here at the launch event of Huawei Watch GT2.
And I want to share the amazing features.
Activity tracking modes and the sleep monitoring, all those stress monitoring stuff that we have here in the watch is like phenomenal. I have to say that this is one of the best quality stuff that is out in the market for this budget.
Now not everything is amazing with the Huawei Watch GT2. It does not have the official Wear OS support, and there are a limited number of apps available at the launch to be used with the Huawei Watch GT2. But I think most of the apps that a user uses it are available with the Huawei Watch GT2. So you don't have to worry. Now if you're confused between two sizes of the Huawei Watch GT2 launched in India, I'd ask you to go for the larger one because it lets you take calls on your wrist with your smartwatch, and that's a nifty feature that I think could come in handy as compared to the other one. It also has a better look according to me. That's all the time we have today, guys. This is your host Chirag signing off. Hit that like button and share it with all your friends. I don't care if you subscribe or not. I just want this channel to grow and a lot more people to watch my content. That's it for now. Take care and have a nice day.